Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Please try again later. Sport code C14A. When you have login your Snapchat app and you have getting this error, so how can fix this error? Let's get started this video without wasting time. Firstly, go back home screen and go on your mobile settings. Here you see, go on your mobile settings and scroll down and enter into the app application or app management. So just enter into the app application or app management. Here you see loading, so wait and watch, and don't forget your subscribe my channel. And you see different app and search it Snapchat. You see Snapchat and search it Snapchat and enter into the Snapchat app. Enter into the Snapchat app and click on storage usage and clear cache and clear data. See, after that clear cache and clear data, and see, click on permission. So just enter into the permission and allow the all permission: camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone and storage. After that go back home screen and enter into the app store or mobile play store app. Enter into the app store or mobile play store app and go on search bar and type in Snapchat and check it your Snapchat update or not updated. If your Snapchat is not updated, firstly update your Snapchat app and your problem has been 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.